Hi again, everybody. It is Monday, April 22nd, 2024. Here's the Astro Excel chart for the coming week. You can see we're coming into the morning here, moving sideways, and we start to drift up. We break outside the plus 10 line tonight, and then we're pushing up towards the 20 line into Tuesday at about 1800. Then we start to drift down, though we're still in plus territory. Kind of sideways Wednesday into Thursday, turning down for the rest of Thursday into Friday, where Friday we have the strong push to the downside, but we're up above the zero line the whole week. You can see the blue line. We have some pretty good spikes on the blue line where we actually get to the 20 lines a couple of times. The first one is going to be today. It just came in at 7, and then late tonight at 2000. We have a big spike Tuesday on the high end at 2300. Hit the minus 10 here Wednesday at 1800. 8 a.m. on Thursday the 25th. 2300 Thursday evening. And that's the last important one. We get one up here. We got spikes outside the 10. Friday the keys 2 a.m. We've got the other spikes outside the 10 line here at 5 a.m. 1600 Tuesday. Then Wednesday 11 a.m. 5 a.m. 1500 and 1900 Thursday, and then Friday 2 a.m. again there. You want to look where these lines are converging in confluence. Since we have push up Monday and Tuesday, you want to look at where the time periods where the blue line is pushing up as well and match those up. The next couple days are still on the plus side, so we're still going to look to be focusing on the long side there on these blue line upward pushes. And then we start to push to the downside here. And then we start to get confluence here, the blue line here late in the day. Then in the evening. And then Friday here, you want this area where both of these lines are pushing to the downside. More of a confirmation. Using this with the rainbow ribbon trend segments is the key. I do have a little bit of a counter trend happening here Monday and Tuesday on the rainbow chart. The trend indications are more to the downside than to the upside, so I've got kind of a strong cross current here the first 2 days this week, so have to be careful with that.